immense learning, unforgettable moments, and a lifetime of memories to cherish. This pretty much sums up my journey at Dronacharya College of Engineering, Gurgaon. Hello everyone, I am Rishabh Saxena and I completed my BTech in Mechanical Engineering in the year 2015. Currently, I am working as a senior specialist in Future Product Strategy Department at Hyundai Motor India Limited. Talking about my college days, it was a truly enriching and delightful experience. Our professors were always available to support us irrespective of the time and day. At DCE, they always encouraged us to think out of the box, and our professors also knew that theory and practical goes hand in hand. Over the due course of 4 years, I participated in various projects, but being an automobile enthusiast, my final year project was a hydrogen hybrid vehicle which I created on a Maruti 800 car. This project did wonders and I was able to achieve increased fuel economy and reduce pollution levels with this project. It helped me to win various state level, national level as well as international level accolades. The learnings from this project and the learnings given from my professors helped me secure a placement with the reputed firm Mercedes-Benz in their technical diagnostic service team. Today, when I look back at this journey, I can think of it as small bits and pieces of learnings and memories which helped me to shape my personality and take the right decisions at the right time. Thank you.
Hi guys, this is Arjun Singh. I'm a pass out of 2018 batch from Mechanical Engineering Department. Today I am here to discuss with you about my experience at Dronacharya College of Engineering, Gurugram campus. It was a really nice time period which I've spent in my college. Starting with the college campus, it is equipped with every single resource you need during your studies, being it the college library, where you find every single resource book for your curriculum, to the labs and equipments for your practicals. The college also has experienced and caring faculty who are there to help you out, which is the best part of this college. My college also organizes yearly competition for their students where you come up with their ideas and turn them into reality. Extracurriculum activities such as sports day, seminars, workshops as well as industry visits are planned so that every student interact with the companies and seek practical knowledge. Every student of this college is free to participate in all national and international level competitions organized by various prestigious organizations such as SI India, IITs and many more. Talking about the placements, you will find an absolutely impeccable record of placement for the deserving candidates. The college also focuses on preparing their students for the company standards or for the further studies. I wish all my juniors and fellow friends the best of luck for their future. Thanks.
Hello everyone, this is Rohan Makkad from 2019 batch of Mechanical Engineers from Dronacharya College of Engineering. So currently I am working as service engineer in Exide Industry Limited with a good package of 5.74 lakhs per annum. And I got this job from campus placement. जो मेरे 4 साल रहे कॉलेज में वो काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग रहे, मतलब काफ़ी नॉलेजेबल रहे, जो मुझे अभी प्रोफेशनल करियर में मेरे काफ़ी हेल्प कर रहे हैं. बीइंग अ मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर हमने काफ़ी मस्ती की कॉलेज टाइम में, फैकल्टीज़ को काफ़ी तंग किया, बट फैकल्टीज़ ने फिर भी हमें हमेशा सपोर्ट किया, टेक्निकली भी और थियोरेटिकली भी. मतलब कॉलेज ने हमेशा मुझे मेरे टेक्निकल प्रोजेक्ट्स के लिए सपोर्ट किया, हमेशा एक बैकबोन की तरह खड़े रहे मेरे टेक्निकल सभी टेक्निकल प्रोजेक्ट्स के लिए. और कॉलेज की हेल्प से ही मैंने काफ़ी जगह कॉलेज को भी रिप्रेजेंट किया एंड उसी से जो एक्सपीरियंस मिला वो काफ़ी हेल्पफुल रहा मुझे, अभी करियर में काफ़ी हेल्प कर रहा है वो. सो फैकल्टीज़ ने काफ़ी हेल्प किया एंड स्पेशल मेंशनिंग रेनू मैम, उन्होंने कैंपस प्लेसमेंट के टाइम हमें काफ़ी हेल्प किया, हमें काफ़ी अच्छी कंपनीज में बैठने का मौका मिला, जिससे हमें काफ़ी अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस मिला। एंड अभी कॉलेज की हेल्प से मुझे एक अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म मिल गया है कि जहाँ से मैं अपने प्रोफेशनल करियर को काफ़ी बूस्ट कर सकता हूँ और जहाँ तक पहुँचना चाहूँ पहुँच सकता हूँ। एंड सो लास्ट में मैं यही कहना चाहूँगा कि गाइस कीप वर्किंग हार्ड, एंड फैकल्टीज़ तो तुम्हें हमेशा ही सपोर्ट कर रही हैं, हमें भी किया, तुम्हें भी हमेशा ही करती रहेंगी। बस कीप वर्किंग हार्ड और ऑल द बेस्ट।